Hi, welcome back. Another question of the day. This is 24th. Let's read this. What are all the below options correct for the free goods condition records? Okay. So it may be SAP ECC or S4 HANA. It doesn't make any sense. Let's read the options. So A, exclusive type. B, condition record. C, item category of main and sub items. And D, are free goods. E, inclusive type. F, minimum quantity of the main item. And calculation rule. That's it. All these are the different options available. Okay. In these options, one might be correct or multiple might be correct. All might be wrong also. Of course, I'm just giving clue here. If all might be wrong, there should be option like none of the above. Okay. So then some of the answers might be correct. So let's try to answer this question. And this, see, if you try to do analysis, you can keep in touch with your subject. It will be useful for your certification preparation and interview preparation. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best. And let's try to answer this question. So if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel. If you really like my videos, you can like it. And on top of it, like, I'm just providing links of my Udemy courses. If you really wanted to get that expertise to work in real-time environment, I have around 20 plus courses. Just find YouTube description. Okay. Thank you so much for those links. Thank you so much. Have a great day. I wish you all the best. Jai Bharat.